Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your throttle body on a 5.3 in your Chevrolet Silverado, Tahoe, and Suburban, or your GMC Sierra and Yukon. First, let's go ahead and loosen this vortex cover. Slide it out the way. Now let's go ahead and remove the air inlet to the throttle body. Loosen these two little worm gears here, and then you have this hose for your radiator connects right here. Just slide that out, slide it down. Sometimes you'll have to use a screwdriver. This one was halfway out already. Then let's go ahead and slide this up. Slide this side off. Slide it out your way. Okay, so this is your throttle body right here. There's a couple ways you can clean it. You can clean it while it's on the car. You just take something, stick it in here, and clean it. Take you a wire brush and clean the inside with some kind of cleaner, throttle body cleaner or plate cleaner, brake cleaner, any kind of cleaner will work. Or you can do like I do. I like to actually remove the throttle body. It's only got 3 bolts and 2 little hoses right here and this connector. So let's go ahead and do that. First, let's go ahead and disconnect our connector. Let's go ahead and slide this gray retainer back, push it down on the middle, slide it off. Alright, like I said, you have 2 hoses right here. Coolant does run through those hoses, so you will lose a little bit of coolant when you take them loose, but you can take a big screwdriver or a pair of pliers, and it's got 2 little clamps, but a screwdriver will slide it right off. Put it on the inside of the hose and slide it back. Do the same thing to the other side. Alright, let's go ahead and remove these 3 10mm nuts. Once you got those 3 nuts loose, let's go ahead and slide the throttle body off. Alright, now that we got the throttle body off, the part that you're wanting to clean is actually this inside lip right here. And you can kind of see in the back where it gets all messed up and all this carbon buildup in here. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of carburetor cleaner, put it in here, and clean this out. Clean this side out using a wire brush. Here's just some air intake system cleaner. It's good for cleaning throttle bodies and everything out. Like I said, what we're going to do is just spray it in here. Try to keep from spraying it into the electrical side, so let the water run down and out. Push the throttle blade up, keep it up, and then just clean it out. Using a little pick tool, let's go ahead and remove the throttle body gasket here. You're not taking the throttle body off. Of course, you don't have to replace that throttle body gasket, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it here. Make sure you set it all the way in, the new gasket. Alright, go ahead and slide the throttle body back on after you got it clean. And put your 3 nuts on. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten them down. The torque spec to this is 89 inch-pounds. Once we got that done, let's go ahead and put our two hoses back on. Like I said, they will slip right back on. Just make sure they go all the way back down. All right, once we got that done, go ahead and install the connector. Let's go ahead and put the air breather inlet back on. Sometimes it'll be a little bit easier if you spray some kind of a little bit of lubricant to help it go on in here, but I think we'll be fine just installing it. Yeah. Go ahead and tighten the worm clamps down. And put this cover back on. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.